Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do URL redirects in Wix. URL redirects are one of those things people only think about after something breaks, but if you understand them early, you control how users and search engines move through your site. Whether you've changed a page URL, deleted a page, or want to send traffic somewhere else, redirects make sure visitors don't hit dead ends. When you begin, log into your Wix account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the search bar at the top. Instead of manually digging through settings, you can simply type redirect. A result called URL Redirect Manager will appear. Click on it. This is the tool Wix provides to manage all your redirects in one place. The URL Redirect Manager is your traffic control system. It tells Wix, if someone tries to visit this old URL, send them to this new one instead. Once inside the Redirect Manager, look at the top right corner and click on New Redirect. You'll now be given two options, Single Redirect, Group Redirect. For now, you're choosing Single Redirect, which is used when you want to redirect one specific URL to another. Next, you'll enter two key fields. One, Old URL. This is the page people used to visit or might still try to access. Examples, a deleted page, an old blog link, a changed product URL. 2. New URL. This is where you want users to be redirected. This is the destination. So when someone enters the old URL, they're automatically sent here instead. After entering both URLs, click Save. Once saved, Wix activates the redirect. You created a rule for traffic routing. Now, visitors won't see a broken page, search engines understand the change, your site maintains a smooth user experience. Redirects only work properly if you have a custom domain connected. This means your site must be connected to your own domain, like yoursite.com. Redirects won't function fully on free Wix URLs. There are usually two types, even if Wix doesn't always expose them directly. Permanent redirect tells search engines the change is permanent. Temporary redirect tells them it's temporary. Most of the time you want permanent redirects for SEO and consistency. To summarize, setting up URL redirects in Wix involves logging into your account, using the search bar to access the URL Redirect Manager, and creating a new redirect. You choose between a single or group redirect, and for a single redirect, you enter the old URL and the new destination URL. Once saved, Wix automatically redirects users from the old link to the new one. This process ensures that visitors do not encounter broken pages and that traffic is properly routed within your site. However, for redirects to function correctly, a custom domain must be connected. While the steps themselves are simple, the effectiveness of redirects depends on accurate URL input and proper planning. Understanding how redirects work allows you to maintain a seamless user experience and protect your site's structure and search visibility. And that's how to do URL redirects in Wix. It's a simple tool, but it has a huge impact on how your site functions and how users experience it. Most people only use redirects when something breaks. The smarter move is using them proactively whenever you change your site structure. Think of redirects as your safety net, keeping traffic flowing even when things change. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.